Today we are going to be learning about numbers to 1 million. This is my first virtual class, so on the bottom you will see that my contact information is right there. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, so these numbers should be pretty familiar to you. 100,000 is just 1 with 5 zeros. 1 million is just a 1 with 6 zeros. And 1 billion, we're not going to get to 1 trillion either, but just make sure you understand that 1 million and 1,000 are very, very different. Sometimes it's difficult to say a number correctly if we have the number just jumbled up, a whole bunch of numbers just in one spot. So it's important that we either add spaces when we're looking at those numbers or we add commas. And I think that for simplicity's sake, we're going to just add spaces. For example, if you check out this Math Antics video entitled Math Antics Decimal Place Value, it'll tell you a little bit about decimal places and how they're used. So we're not going to get into that right now. Here you can see an example of a number that's broken up but by commas. Now that's more common in English to break it up by commas, but in Spanish we usually use commas to signify a completely different thing. This number, if you were to say it out loud, is 172,987,121. I'm going to show you this video on YouTube just to give you a better idea of the place value that we're going to be talking about today in the lesson.
To the 100 millions even. Okay, now every group of 3 numbers is called a period. I'm not going to go into this too much, but just know that your ones, tens, and hundreds, those are in your ones period. Then after your hundreds goes your thousands. So your thousands, 10,000s, hundreds, thousands, that's your thousands period. And after that, your millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. That's your millions period.
So some of you guys already might know this number. We have right here 885, 337,000, and then 12 million. So if we put that all together, we have 12,337,885.
Now in most numbers, what you'll find is you'll have a comma separating each of your periods, okay? Now in this case,
Now he just talked about those commas. For the sake of the difference between English and Spanish, we're not going to use commas. We're just going to put spaces. But then when we come up with decimals later on, we'll make sure to revisit this point. So let's go back to the basics because sometimes we forget the numbers in English. Let's do this little quiz right here on English/room.com. The number is 12. Obviously, we know that that is right there. 90 million. Well, I know this is 90. This says 9. This says 900, and this says 9. So 90 million must be this one. Yep, that's correct, because this is the hundreds, thousands, millions. Number 3, 13. Sometimes we get 13 and 30 mixed up. So we know it's not D. Can't be C or B. Must be A. Number 4, 97. Well, that one's got to be pretty easy. Letter D, 97. You can see 97. Number 5, 7,500,005. 7 million. Well, I see here 7,000, and I see here 750,000 and 75,000. So none of those must be correct. What was it again? 7,500,005. Here we go. 7,500,005. Number 6, 572. Well, that one's pretty easy. Doesn't look like that one because it ends in a 7. 570, no, that's not it. 572, there we go. D. Number 7, 85. Can you find it? I'll give you a second. You're right. Letter B. Number 8, 24. 24. Now, you might click this one because you might have read it backwards, but it's not 24, it's actually 42. So our answer is D. Let's do another exercise where we're going to find the number in words. So the first number is 134. Let's find that number. Can you find it? 134. Oh, found it. 134. Next one. 276. Let's see if you can find it. 276. 276. Can you find it? Looking for the twos. Here we go. 276. Okay, next one. 395. Look for it for me. 309. There it is. 395. All right, now that we've done a little bit of review, we're going to do some really more difficult problems. Now again, I said we were going to just put spaces in between the numbers, but since in English it's more common to put commas, you're going to see that in a couple of the problems. So let's read this one together and then we're going to spell it out. 629,484. Let's write it together. 629,484. Now, it might say it's incorrect because of the word and or a comma there, so let's check one more time. 629,484. I think it's correct. Let's see. Let's see, 629,484. What did I write? 629,484. It's the same thing. It might go a little bit different than what you have, but you just gotta kind of check it. Here we go. It got me on the line in between 29, so I didn't put that line right there. Looks like everything else out here too, the line 84. We need to remember that we put that line in between every number that's in between 21 and 99. Now on my Instagram page, I posted this, that we should practice our numbers from 1 all the way up until a million.
100, 200,
This video seems
8,
very elementary, but it's good practice.
5,000, 20,000, 80,000, 500,000, 600,000, 100 million, 1 billion.
But it also has some reminders of how to spell the numbers in English. You can see right here you have that hyphen in between every number that, for example, 51, 52, 53, they all have that hyphen. Okay, so it's really important to put that hyphen in there. Let's do another problem, another exercise, new number. Let's see. Okay, our new number is 573,860. So let's type that right here. 500-3,860. Let's check it. All right, let's see. It says, sorry, this is not correct. You might experience that. Let's try the word and in there. 573,860. Let's try that. Check answer. Sorry, this is not correct. Let's show our answer. All right, 573,860. I'm pretty sure that's what I put, but that's okay. Let's see. My answer is 573,000. Here we have 573,000. And then we have 860. Okay, 860. So there are discrepancies with the word and the comma and also the line, which are very, very minimal. But other than that, we did get the problem correct. All right, this is a much bigger number. Now we have the number 982,895. Let's write that one out. 982,000, comma, 895. All right, now let's see if it allows me to do it with the comma now here and the word and. Let's see, 982,895. Let's see if it's correct. 982,000 and 895. I think that's too many ands personally, but whatever, that's what they have. Here it has no ands, so there's two different ways to say it. 982,895. That's actually more common in English, so either way goes, that's fine.